International Transgender Day of Visibility is observed every year on? Answer is 31st March. When is Utkal Day celebrated every year? Answer is 1st April. Galena, dolomite and siderite. Which of the following is iron ore? Answer is siderite. Which organ gets infected by Japanese encephalitis? Answer is brain. Who wrote Tarikhul Hind? Answer is Al-Biruni. By whom was the Indian National Association formed in Calcutta? Answer is Surendranath Banerjee. Who was the chairman of the first National Backward Classes Commission? Answer is Kaka Kalelkar. Who founded Canon in 1937? Answer is Takeshi Mitarai, Goro Yoshida, Saburo Uchida. Which constellation has other names as the Big Dipper, Great Bear and Saptarishi? Answer is Ursa Major. The difference between the value of exports and the value of imports of goods in a country in a given period of time is known as? Answer is balance of trade. Which cyclone became the first supercyclonic storm in the Arabian Sea? Answer is Cyclone Kyar. What is the SI unit of electrical resistance? Answer is ohm. The IUPAC name of the compound CH3CH2CH3 is? Answer is propane. Pedology is the study of? Answer is soil. Chaityas and viharas were constructed for monks of which religion? Answer is Buddhism. Which Pallava ruler was also known as Mamalla? Answer is Narasimhavarman I. Who was the then Governor General of British India when Sati Pratha became illegal and punishable? Answer is Lord William Bentinck. President of India is removed on which ground? Answer is violation of Constitution. When was the National Institution for Transforming India, Niti Aayog, formed? Answer is 1st January 2015. When is the International Midwife Day celebrated? Answer is 5 May. Tuzk-e-Babri is written in which languages? Answer is Turkey. Abul Fazl, Birbal and Todermal, who among these was the revenue minister of Akbar? Answer is Todermal. Which constitutional amendment act introduced the municipalities? Answer is 74th. Which article of the Constitution of India relates to Uniform Civil Code? Answer is 44th. Which planet is nicknamed as the morning star, evening star? Answer is Venus. Konark Sun Temple is located in which state of India? Answer is Odisha. Lavani is the folk music of which state? Answer is Maharashtra. The tomb of which historical rural is located in Sasaram, Bihar? Answer is Sher Shah Suri. Bharatiya Gyanpith is related to which organization? Answer is literature. When was Balbir Singh Dosanjh awarded the Padma Shri? Answer is 1957. Kyoto Protocol is related to the Convention on Dash. Answer is climate change. When was APJ Abdul Kalam awarded with Bharat Ratna? Answer is 1997. Baichung Bhutia is related to which sport? Answer is football. With which sports the Lady Ratan Tata Trophy is associated? Answer is hockey. Gir National Park is famous for? Answer is Asiatic lion. What is the capital of Azerbaijan? Answer is Baku. The only example of proto-historic phase in the Indian subcontinent is? Answer is Indus Valley Civilization. Which is the first national park established in India? Answer is Jim Corbett National Park. During which Congress session was the Congress Swaraj Dal formed? Answer is Gaya. Which bill was opposed by Sardar Bhagat Singh? Answer is Public Safety Bill and Trade Dispute Bill. By whom was Naujawan Bharat Sabha founded? Answer is Bhagat Singh. Who was the founder of Lodi dynasty? Answer is Bahlol Lodi. Zakir Hussain is the famous instrumentalist of? Answer is tabla. In which state of India the first case of coronavirus reported? Answer is Kerala. What does the color of stars depend on? Answer is temperature. Lightning is caused by what? Answer is electric discharge. K.R. Narayanan, V.V. Giri and Sanjeeva Reddy. Who among these has never been the Vice President of India? Answer is Sanjeeva Reddy. Relative humidity is measured by? Answer is hygrometer. Stat question are those questions which requires an? Answer is oral answer. Which is the main component present in silver paints? Answer is aluminium powder. Whose composition is Meghdut? Answer is Kalidas. In which region are savanna grasslands found? Answer is Africa. Which river among Satluj, Ravi, Jhelum and Ganga does not flow through Punjab? Answer is Ganga. Where is the famous Kankaria lake located? Answer is Gujarat. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is celebrated on? Answer is 9 January. Which incident is considered as the first hunger strike of Mahatma Gandhi in India? Answer is Ahmedabad mill strike. Who proposed the cell theory? Answer is Sheridan and Swan. Which nature is same in isomers? Answer is molecular formula. MCLR is minimum interest rate that a bank can lend at. Here M stands for? Answer is marginal. What is the common name of milk of lime? Answer is calcium hydroxide. Bharhut Stupa is located in which state? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. What is Project 75 related to? Answer is submarines. In which state the Asura tribe is mostly found? Answer is Jharkhand. On the banks of which river did the Vedic civilization develop in India? Answer is Saraswati. When is the International Day of UN Peacekeepers observed? Answer is 29 May. What was the main reason for calling off the non-cooperation movement? Answer is Chauri Chaura incident. The range of a projectile motion is maximum at which angle? Answer is 45 degree. Food Safety Mitra scheme works under which institute? Answer is FSSAI. Name of the first Indian woman to win Magsaysay Award. Answer is Mother Teresa. Where is the Great Victoria Desert? Answer is Australia. Raganthettu Bird Sanctuary is located at? Answer is Karnataka. In which type of biome the tree growth is hindered by low temperatures and short growing seasons? Answer is tundra. What was the original name of Birbal? Answer is Mahesh. Who is the writer of Freedom in Exile? Answer is Dalai Lama. In which area did the Cold Rebellion take place? Answer is Chota Nagpur. Xylem and phloem are present in which type of plants? Answer is vascular plants. What type of disease is salmonellosis? Answer is bacterial. Who is the head of Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs? Answer is Prime Minister. Ooty Hill Station is located in which state? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Dolphin Research Center is located in which city? Answer is Patna, Bihar.